apart.
Listen, we're gonna find the one that's missing. Our fiddler boy, he's also blue. It hurts to see him blow. Come everyone and settle your horse. We look for Ellie Golden Rose. The miller took her as his wife. She wasn't to refuse. And now the Christmas time is coming round today. He's wondering why, oh why doesn't it come my way? Oh, where's my soulmate waiting for my snowy high? And so make sure no one can keep us apart.
So when the party's over, his soul is tempted.